हेलो गाइस। आज मैंने एक प्रोग्राम क्रिएट किया है कैलकुलेटर अपने बेटे के नाम से रक्षित यूजिंग पाइथन। सो हैव अ लुक फॉर दैट। दिस इज माय सिस्टम एंड here is, as you can see, रक्षित कैलकुलेटर पीसी पाइथन कैलकुलेटर। इस पे हम क्लिक करेंगे तो ये यहाँ पे इसको बंद कर देते हैं। It is taking time to open. Yes. Oh, it kind of blurriness. It is okay. So here is the coding which I use for create this calculator. Yes, now it is okay. So this is the coding I use for that. It's my a long journey for create this. So let's see what happen if I run this. Run. Okay, so here it is open. So let's using it. 9 8 plus 5 4 is equal to 152. Oh my god, it is working. So clear. 32 into 5 is equal to 160 plus 9 is equal to 65 plus 9 74. Clear. Divide by, let's see, 4. It's working. So now you can see guys, it is working and I am very happy for that. So please support me and stay with me. And my main project is still yet to come. It is taking long time. Actually, some issue has been happened, so that's why it has been late for a while. But I think February 21, I will be launched my first application on Google Play Store related to Excel. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.